I'm Carrie Lee with Burleson Orthodontics, and on this episode of Chef's Corner, we're bringing you another recipe and some quick tips you can use at home for delicious meals that are braces friendly. Today, we're with Chef Lori Peters of Dream Chef. Chef Peters is a personal chef and focuses on nutrition-rich foods that are tasty and satisfying. Today, Chef Lori will be preparing peanut butter fruit dip. Let's get cooking. Hey, Chef Peters.
Hi, Carrie. How are you?
Very good. What are we doing today?
Well, today we're going to make a really delicious snack. People can use it as a dessert. It's easy to prepare. Kids can make it. They don't need supervision. Adults can take it to work if they want as a snack. It is so easy to make delicious. So let's get started. We have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can use any peanut butter that you like. Creamy is the best to use.
And tastiest.
And delicious. And it's good because it has protein in it. So it's really healthy too. If you don't like peanut butter, you can always use the Nutella. Kids love Nutella. Chocolate is always a good substitute. Then you're just going to add about a half a cup of milk to that. You want to thin it out so that your dip is not lumpy.
Okay. This is something the kids can do with you though.
Kids can do this with you. They can mix it. They can scoop out the peanut butter. You know, always give the kids the leftovers.
That is
They
the
love
best
that.
part, licking the spoon.
Licking the spoon is always good. So once you get that nice and soft into a nice creamy consistency, all you're going to do now is add 8 ounces of Cool Whip.
And just so everyone knows, it looks very thin right now, but once we add the whipped topping, it'll thicken it up a little
Once we
bit.
incorporate this, it's going to be delicious. So we're just going to add that right in. And we're just going to fold it together. I wouldn't mix it too much because it would probably just let the air out of the Cool Whip.
Okay.
And then you're going to end up having, you know, not a nice fluffy consistency. So you just want to gently fold that in.
It looks very pretty too.
It's good. It's really delicious. It's very tasty. And like I said, the kids might get a little bit anxious and they might want to mix it, but who cares? It's fun. They're eating it. It's a nice snack for them to have after school. They can just come in if mom's busy. They can just say, pull out the peanut butter and do it themselves.
With the protein and it's lower sugars actually with the whipped topping, so it's much better than grabbing potato chips or pretzels.
Right, and you can also get the sugar-free if you want. They have the vanilla Cool Whip. They have so much. Then you just want to pour that into your serving dish. Oh, never worry if there's leftovers.
You can just saran wrap, throw it in the fridge.
Saran that, throw that in the fridge. It'll stay.
Fantastic.
It'll probably even tighten up a little bit for you. And then let's see what kind of fruits. You can use any kind of fruit you like. Today I picked some strawberries, some grapes. I'm also going to do a little bit of banana and kiwi. I think we should stay with the soft fruit.
Yes, with the braces, with the wires breaking and
right. I would stay away
from apples.
Definitely apples. I would stay away from that. So you just want to cut them to the size that you want. We'll just place that on here.
This would even be fun for a party. Stick little toothpicks in them.
This would be great for a party. Yes.
Kids and adults.
Yes, they would love that. It's a very good idea. And we'll just peel our kiwi, which is fun. Don't know if a lot of people know about kiwi, but it's really got a lot of vitamins in it, and it's just such a nice, fun fruit. So we'll just cut that into pieces.
She's one of my daughter's favorites. And
She loves that. Yeah, kiwi is very, it's a cross between a lime and a banana.
Yes.
So it's really good. It's got some good flavor. And then you're done. And it's delicious. Let's try it. What are you going to try?
I'll try the grape.
I'm going to try a kiwi.
That is so good.
It's so good. It's delicious. got peanut butter. It's fun, it's sweet, but it's healthy.
It's very healthy, and it feels like it'd be really satisfying for the kids, and they'd have a ton of fun making it, and then getting to enjoy the
I think
spoils
like
of their
it.
work.
Great.
Thank you so much for having
Thank
us
you,
today and
Karen.
showing this wonderful recipe.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
If you like what you saw, this recipe and others will be available on our website at bracesfriendlyrecipes.com. On behalf of Burleson Orthodontics, I'm Carrie Lee. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our next episode with another fabulous Braces Friendly recipe. Have a great week and keep on smiling.